Hello friends. So the first step to install iOS 14 public beta is to connect your iPhone to your computer. Now launch iTunes on your computer and backup your iOS 13 iPhone. Once the backup is completed, you can disconnect iPhone from iTunes and keep it connected to power source. Now launch Safari on your iPhone and go to beta.apple.com. Website link down in the description below. Now scroll down and look for this sign up button. Now hit continue to sign in with your Apple ID. Now go through this agreement and hit this accept button on the bottom right corner. Now here you will see different options. You want to select iOS and then scroll down and tap on this enroll your iOS device option under get started section. Now this is a complete guide to have iOS betas installed on your iPhone. If you wish, you can go through it and hit this download profile option. Select this allow option. Now as you can see, it says iOS 14 beta profile is downloaded in settings. So hit close option. Now go back to home screen and launch settings app. Select this profile downloaded option. And this is your iOS 14 public beta profile. So hit install on the top right corner. Enter iPhone lock screen passcode. Then you can go through this message from Apple and then hit install again. Now again confirm install. Now hit done on the top right corner to complete the installation. Done. Profile is successfully installed. Now go back, scroll up and tap on this software update. Now it should show you iOS 14 public beta 2 software update. There is no public beta 1 this time, so the first installation of iOS 14 public beta is beta 2. So go ahead and tap on this download and install button. Enter iPhone lock screen passcode and wait until your iPhone downloads iOS 14 public beta 2 from Apple servers. As you can see, the download is completed. Let's hit this install now button. Now wait until the installation is completed. It took me around 1.5 hours, so you want to wait. And there you go. Finally, iPhone should show you this message. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen, enter passcode, and it should say software update complete. So let's hit continue. Now you can read this agreement if you want to, which most of you won't be. So go ahead and hit this agree option on the top right corner. Again confirm agree. Hit this continue button. You can share app analytics if you want to. I normally don't, so I'm gonna hit don't share. And there you go. iOS 14 installation is completed. When you go to settings, we can see that we are on iOS 14 public beta 2. Let's add one widget to the home screen quickly. And there you go. Everything's working perfectly fine. So that's how you can easily install iOS 14 public beta on your iPhone. Now let me quickly answer a few commonly asked questions. Is it safe to install? Yes, it is 100%. It is officially from Apple. Can I install it on my main device? See, whatever tutorial I showed you today, it was all done on my main device, my daily driver. I do this every year. I never faced any issue. So if you're taking regular backups, you can definitely install it on your main device. But if you don't have any backup of iOS 13, you shouldn't install it on your main device. I am running iOS 14 developer beta 1. Can I install this iOS 14 public beta 2? Yes, you can. Simply delete the developer beta profile from your iPhone and follow this tutorial. I'm running iOS 14 developer beta 2. Can I install this iOS 14 public beta 2? No, you cannot, because this iOS 14 public beta 2 and developer beta 2 both are same. So even if you install this public beta profile on your iPhone, you are not going to see any update on your iPhone. So you want to wait until Apple releases next update of public beta to switch from developer beta to public beta. How much time it takes to complete the installation? Well, it took me around half an hour to download this iOS 14 public beta from Apple servers, which will definitely depend on your internet speed. Then it took me around 1.5 hours to complete the installation, which I showed you in this 5-minute video. Will this iOS 14 public beta have bugs and issues? Yes, this is a iOS 14 beta software, so it is not complete yet. It will have bugs, it will have issues, app crashes, then your battery issues will be common. If you don't want to get into this, just wait until September when Apple releases iOS 14 commercial version. Can I switch to iOS 14 commercial version from public beta and developer beta? Yes, you can in September. Can I have iCloud backup before installing iOS 14 public beta? Yes, you can have iCloud backup, but after installing iOS 14, you must turn off iCloud backup because this iOS 14 backup will override iOS 13 backup and your iOS 13 backup will be of no use. So that's all I wanted to share today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Ask me if you have any more questions down in the comment section below and hit that like button if this video really helped. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Enjoy iOS 14.